Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Kisatek, and today we're going to explore one of the most critical aspects of maintaining your iPhone 12 Pro Max, the LCD replacement. As one of the most advanced smartphones on the market, the iPhone 12 Pro Max boasts an impressive array of features, including a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, a powerful A14 Bionic chip, and a long-lasting battery. However, like any other electronic device, it's not immune to damage, and one of the most common issues that can arise is a cracked or damaged LCD screen. If you're one of the unfortunate ones who've experienced a cracked screen, you know how frustrating it can be. Not only does it affect the aesthetics of your device, but it can also hinder its functionality, making it difficult to navigate and use your phone. That's where LCD replacement comes in, a crucial process that can breathe new life into your iPhone 12 Pro Max. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the LCD replacement process, discussing the reasons why you might need to replace your screen, the different options available, and some valuable tips and tricks to help you navigate the process. Why replace your LCD screen? There are several reasons why you might need to replace your iPhone 12 Pro Max's LCD screen. Some of the most common reasons include 1. Accidental drops. Dropping your phone can cause the screen to crack or shatter, making it difficult to use. 2. Water damage. Exposure to water or moisture can damage the LCD screen, causing it to malfunction or become unresponsive. 3. Wear and tear. Over time, the LCD screen can become worn out, causing issues such as discoloration, pixelation, or touch sensitivity problems. DIY versus professional LCD replacement. When it comes to replacing your iPhone 12 Pro Max's LCD screen, you have two options: DIY replacement or professional replacement. While DIY replacement might seem like a cost-effective option, it's not always the best choice, especially if you're not familiar with the process. DIY replacement requires special tools and technical expertise, and if not done correctly, it can cause further damage to your device. On the other hand, professional replacement offers several benefits, including expertise. Professional technicians have the necessary skills and experience to replace your LCD screen quickly and efficiently. Quality. Professional replacement ensures that your new screen is of high quality, providing optimal performance and durability. Warranty. Many professional repair services offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind and protection against future issues. In conclusion, LCD replacement is a crucial aspect of maintaining your iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's essential to approach the process with caution and care. Whether you choose to DIY or go with a professional replacement, make sure to follow the tips and tricks outlined in this video to ensure a successful and stress-free experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on iPhone and other consumer electronics.